Back in April, I was working at Manchester Airport in security and I'd found this job and just applied for it. And now I'm studying engineering at Trafford College and I've been doing that since September. Some of the benefits is that you are getting paid to learn and you are also working. It's very hands-on as well, like you're always learning new things and everyone's always here to help. Your knowledge is constantly expanding as well. My end goal is to become a manager within engineering. So at the moment, it would be to get through college, be comfortable within the job, and then hopefully progress into some managerial roles within the company. Some advice from me personally, being the only female as well doing this apprenticeship, would be to just go for it. I've got nothing to lose and I've learned a lot within the space of a few months that I thought I'd never know. And I enjoy it as well, so just go for it.